Hey guys, how's it going? Only 2 days to go till the token auction. We got like 8,200 buyers registered at the moment. Remember in the last ICO, there was 2,500 buyers bought all 650 million tokens. So now we've got 8,200 buyers registered to buy 100 million tokens. So that's pretty exciting. There's been a lot of talk about, what the tokens were. Is it worth 1 cent? Is it worth 5 cents? Is it worth 25 cents? So, I just wanted to talk in this video. Let's think about more of the fundamentals. What is the Digitex token? And then, talk about what it actually is, what it's going to be used for. And then it's going to be easier for you to figure out what you think the thing is worth. So, in a nutshell, the Digitex token is, well, for a start, it's not really a hedge against Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's very closely related to what happens to, the main cryptocurrency prices. Because it's a way of trading on those prices with zero commissions, zero trust, in liquid markets. So as the more interest there is in trading on Bitcoin and Ethereum, the more interest there is in going to be buying Digitex tokens. So obviously the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum going up is going to create a lot more interest in trading them than if they go down. Is that going to happen? Of course it is. I am a raging bull when it comes to crypto in general, especially the major ones that are up there that you're going to be able to trade with the Digitex token. Why do I think that crypto is such a major buy? I mean, it's just such a useful thing. If you look at the fundamentals of what cryptocurrency is, you can store and transfer wealth between anybody in any country trustlessly, with nothing more than an internet connection, and virtually free. And that in its essence is all it is. It's so simple. And you can't put something like that back in the bottle. It is going to change the fucking world the way the internet changed the world. What is the internet really? I mean, the internet is very simple. It's just a bunch of computers connected together. Back in 1997, we all got our Yahoo email address and thought, looked at a few shitty websites and thought, oh, well, that's good, internet's great. No, the internet was only just getting started. The internet since then, in the 20 years since then, it's changed the world. It's completely disrupted whole industries. It's completely destroyed some industries. It's created new industries. It's changed the way humans behave. The smartphone has just changed our whole human behavior, our whole human psyche. It's turned everyone below the age of 20 into a fucking moron, for instance. There's all kinds of changes that the internet created that we could never have even imagined. And that's where cryptocurrency is now. Cryptocurrency in the next 10 years, 20 years is going to change the face of the world. It's going to change business. It's going to change the way humans interact with each other in a way that we can't even imagine yet. It's going to change any business to do with the storing and transfer of assets, real estate, stocks, banking, international trade, huge industries that are going to get changed by the blockchain, cryptocurrency, a massive transfer of wealth into a brand new industry and other brand new industries that stem from it that we can't even predict right now because they don't even exist. Just huge changes coming. Another thing that's going to accelerate that change with crypto is, at the same time, we've got robotics and artificial intelligence barreling down the road at the same time as cryptocurrency. So we're going to have intelligent machines basically buying shit off each other. Microtransactions between intelligent machines are going to outnumber the number of human transactions. For instance, your fridge is going to be buying a bit of electricity from the electricity company. Your self-driving car is going to be buying bits of insurance from the insurance company when it drives down the road. There's all these things that are going to be happening, and those machines aren't going to be writing checks to each other. They're not going to have bank accounts and waiting 3 fucking days for the payment to arrive. No, those machines are going to be using cryptocurrency. And the machines are coming, So we've got 3 billion people in the world, 4 billion new people in the world that, are unbanked, that are going to be a massive driver of cryptocurrencies. But we've got this whole new extra number of, people, these machines that are all going to be buying each other stuff off each other too, that currently don't even exist yet, and there's going to be billions of those too. So just huge changes in the world coming from cryptocurrency. You ain't seen nothing yet. If you think you've missed it, you are so wrong. It is, I was going to say put everything you've got into crypto. That wouldn't be, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take financial advice off someone like me. But seriously, put everything you fucking got into crypto, because in the next 20 years, the next 10 years, it is going to change the face of the world in ways that you can't even imagine. So that's why I'm such a raging bull on crypto in general. As the prices rise, which they're going to, Digitex, there's going to be a lot of interest in trading rising prices. As the prices rise, you've seen what the media does, they go crazy. There's just a lot more interest in rising prices than falling prices. And the Digitex Futures Exchange is going to be very closely related to that interest in trading. As there's more interest in trading, there's going to be more interest in trading commission-free, trustlessly in liquid markets. So that, in a nutshell, is that's the fundamentals of it. That's what's going to happen. What happens to crypto tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, it doesn't really matter. If some exchange gets hacked or some backward-looking government just creates some more stupid regulations around it, it doesn't matter. It's irrelevance. Over the long term, crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the major ones, massive transfer of wealth into these currencies, and they are going up a lot. And the Digitex token is just a good way of riding that wave up, but from a much lower point. So it's like a leveraged way of doing it, because if you buy Bitcoins, they would have to go up a lot for you to make 100 times your money. With Digitex tokens, you can just get in a lot sooner at a lower price, and if it goes up, you're making a better multiple on your money. So yeah, that's the basics there. Why I'm such a raging bull on crypto, why I think the Digitex token is going to do so well off that. Yeah, that's probably enough for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I say, 2 days to go till the token auction. I'll probably make another video tomorrow or something like that, and I'll send a couple more emails out. All right, cheers, guys. Thanks.